Introducing the Urban Jungle Backpack, a blend of innovation, style, and functionality that caters to the modern adventurer. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the Urban Jungle Backpack, designed for those who need durability, organization, and style in one package. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the craftsmanship. This backpack is crafted from a premium blend of polyester and microfiber, offering not just a sleek look, but unmatched durability and water resistance. Perfect for any weather condition. One of the coolest features? You can tuck away these shoulder straps and use the side handle to convert the backpack into a briefcase, ideal for both business meetings and casual outings. Now, let's get into the tech side. This backpack comes with integrated USB and Type-C ports. Stay charged on the go without the hassle of tangled cables, thanks to the magnetic strap that keeps everything tidy. Whether you're commuting or traveling, your devices will always be powered up and ready. Moving on to the interior, the Urban Jungle Backpack is designed to fit up to a 16-inch laptop. With a 180-degree flat opening, accessing your gear has never been easier. And check this out. Additional easy access pockets, internal organizers, and even a detachable key holder. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. Comfort is key, and Urban Jungle delivers. The dual-density foam in the back panel and shoulder straps provides great stability and impressive softness. Plus, the ventilation channel keeps you cool, even during those long days. And when it's time to travel, the versatile trolley sleeve makes it easy to slip this backpack onto your luggage for a hands-free experience. To top it all off, Urban Jungle offers a 12-month international warranty, so you can have peace of mind knowing your backpack is built to last. Whether you're an urban explorer or a frequent traveler, the Urban Jungle Backpack is your perfect companion. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews.